This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about spray bottles, specifically these RW Clean spray bottles. And we have the red here, which you can see is a great 25-ounce capacity bottle with an adjustable nozzle. They're also available in blue, green, or yellow, or as a set that comes with one of each. The adjustable nozzle is going to allow you to control that stream, going from a nice, precise stream or to a nice, lovely diffuse mist, allowing you to really dispense those cleaning solutions the way you need to, as you need to. The colors are perfect for coating, cleaning, and sanitizing solutions for easy identification. They feature a great ergonomic grip that's made to kind of fit your fingers, allowing for easier dispensing and less fatigue. They feature wonderful measurement markings on the side that are going to be great for mixing up and the dilution of your cleaning and sanitizing solutions. The markings are also molded as part of the bottle, meaning that they won't rub off or wear like printed ones. The bottles themselves are a transparent plastic for the easy identification of cleaning mixtures, and the plastic is really great, high quality, and break resistant for extra safety. These are perfect for use in a variety of commercial kitchens and office settings or just at home.